Hi! Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Rare 4-bedroom brick ranch in Avon Schools West / all the wants and amp needs you could ask for. Home has been well cared for and amp, lots of updates / maintenance items within the last year. Large open living room west / ample amount of natural lighting. 4 spacious bedrooms make this home stand out and amp, whether you need the space for hobbies or living space, it has it all. Newly renovated full bath is an added bonus to this already perfect home. Great for entertaining whether in the home or outside on the patio. Large brooklet has privacy fence and amp, mature trees. New kitchen appliances along west / washer and amp, dryer, furnace, AC, and amp, water heater all replaced in 2018.